Dr. C.V. Ananda Bose has arrived at the IQ City Hospital. Ananda Bose was seen entering the hospital where the Durgapur rape victim, an MBBS student, is currently undergoing treatment. Akshay, take our viewers through the details.
देखिए, सीवी आनंद बोस जो हैं और राज्यपाल वेस्ट बंगाल के जो राज्यपाल हैं वो भी गए हुए हैं। वहाँ जो पीड़िता है उनकी जो हालात कैसे हैं और हालात के साथ साथ जो डॉक्टरी टीम है कैसे इलाज उनको दे रहे हैं, कैसे पीड़िता के जो हालात है उसमें सुधार आएगा, उसी के जायजा लेने के लिए वहाँ जो दुर्गापुर अस्पताल है वहाँ गए हुए थे। और उसके बाद तमाम जो नेता हैं, तमाम जो राजनेता से लेकर तमाम प्रशासनिक अधिकारी वहाँ पहुंच रहे हैं। कैसे उनकी ट्रीटमेंट चल रहा है और कैसे जल्द से जल्द रिकवरी होगा उसकी कहीं ना कहीं ये प्रार्थना कर रहे हैं। उसके जो तमाम जो डॉक्टरी टीम लगे हुए हैं उनको कहीं ना कहीं ये पूछते नजर आ रहे हैं।
Okay, stay on with me. Ananda Bose has also made a statement on the Durgapur gang rape case. He states that what has happened is outrageous and shocking to the public conscience. He says that it is high time that all of us stand together and say stop, or we will make it stop. Ananda Bose has stated that they will do everything in their power to give justice to the family. He states that he has talked to the victim and her parents, and everything that they have talked about is of course confidential. Listen in.
What has happened is outrageous. It is shocking to public conscience. I am convinced that it is high time that all the entire society stands together and says stop, or we will make it stop. We will do everything to give justice to the family. I talked to the victim, I talked to the parents. What we discuss will remain confidential. What has been done here is something which will shock anyone. If you have tears to shed, shed them now. If you have sighs to heave, heave them now. Do everything possible to give justice to the victim and to ensure that such things do not repeat in Bengal society in future. This is not the first of its kind. In the recent past we had similar experiences, very bad experiences. This does not augur well for the Bengal society. Bengal society is one which led to the renaissance of this nation. We want a second renaissance here. This should be made, Bengal should be made a place which is safe for the girl child. Now, I cannot say that with confidence that Bengal is safe. We have to own up responsibility and see that justice is given to the victim.